see ballerinas perform the Nutcracker or Giselle, her two favorites. It was her 8th birthday and she was tremendously excited. Another birthday tradition of hers was bringing all her stuffed animals, which included a set of 3 otters. Have you remembered to take care of the guinea pig cage her older brother asked her? So I think we could maybe use a transition. Maybe like just as she was about to leave, her older brother asked her. Okay. There we go. We can take up. So now we have more of a transition that connects those two. Just as she was about to leave, her older brother asked her, "Have you remembered to take care of the guinea pig cage?" Uh-oh, Anna thought, but it's my birthday. In other words, she didn't have to do any work, right? But apparently she did, and that is why Anna went to see Giselle with guinea pig poop on her shoe. So we can find some easily transitions. So for instance, just as she was about to leave, in other words, but apparently she did, so, and that is why, okay, so we use transitions here to successfully connect these sentences. Okay, so, review. Make sure most sentences begin with different words, use a mix of long and short sentences, use a variety of transitional words, and repeat a word only for effect. Okay, now, if you have any questions you'd like to ask me, then you can go ahead. Questions or comments?
Jack, how old are you?
I am 11 years old. My birthday is October 15th.
Cassie, how did you start writing the book that you wanted to write?
How did I start writing the book that I wanted to write? Oh, Flying Fingers? Well, that was a good question. Well, it is actually a collection of 9 short stories, and I really love writing, and I write a ton of stories, and so I just thought, well, maybe I should collect some of the stories I've written and put them in a book, and that is what I did, although it took a lot more time than I originally imagined.
Jack, do you go to school?
Do I go to school? Yes, I do, although a different type of school from yours. It's an online public school.
Gavin? Why are you in Washington?
Why am I in Washington? That is a very good question. Well, let's see, I've never actually thought about it, mainly because my parents live here, but I guess you could say that I never really wanted to live anywhere else. It is a little bit rainy, but yeah, so I'm in Washington State, and I think that it's a pretty nice state. It's usually fairly temperate, the weather. It doesn't get too hot or too cold, although we did have quite a bit of snow last year, actually, and it did reach 107 in the summer, but this has been a really weird year.
Yeah? Happy almost birthday.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Bye. So were you born in Washington or were you born somewhere else?
Actually, I was born in Oregon, yeah, Springfield, Oregon, and then my family moved up.
What's your favorite movie?
What's my favorite movie? Oh, I've never really thought about that. Oh, did you ask book or movie?
Book that you've written.
Oh, I'm sorry. For some reason I heard movie. Okay, book that I've written. My hearing must be going out. I would say that it seems like pretty much all my books are my favorite, but probably the one that, this is actually an advanced copy, so it's not really released yet. But Yarn in the Skies is probably one of my favorite stories. It's still not published though. As far as short stories and Flying Fingers go, I really like Spoiled Prince.
Did someone inspire you to start to write?
Did somebody inspire me to start to write? I would say all the authors that I read. When I was 3 years old, that's when I started reading, and I really, really loved reading, and I loved reading these authors, and I thought, well, these people can do it, maybe I can too. And that's how I started writing, and I really loved it.
Olsen, do you like animals?
Do I watch, sorry?
Do you like animals?
Oh, do I like animals? Oh, yes, very much. My sister probably likes them more than I do, but I would say I like them quite a bit. We have a guinea pig, and